Okay, what we have here today is range. The light is on. As you see here, the burners are completely cold because everything is off, but the light is on. I'm gonna show you how to fix this little thing. The first thing you do, you unplug from your wall the 240 or 220, or from your brake box. I'm going to use the brake box. So right here, no electricity. And then you go on the back of your stove, go back here, and what you do, you need to remove this panel. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 screws. So you take it, all the screws out. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Oops. Sorry about the video. It's hard to do this with one hand. But anyhow, you take, that will be either your infinity switch for the big burner, or your infinity switch for the small burner. So usually the big burner, you see they have marked with a red. It's based on the ohms resistance. So usually the big ohm resistance is the one, it's always marked red, but if it's not, you need to see the ohm resistance and get it and replace it. Okay, for the replacement, the first thing, you pull this knob carefully, and there will be 2 screws that you take here and screw this little tiny one. Don't lose it. And you go to the back of the stove. You sorry about the video, but you take this off and you put the new one. In order to replace the new one, it's easier to take one of the wire at a time. You take this one and you put it in the new one, and so on, and you put it back, and that's how. Right, here is the one already in place, the new one. This is the old one, and let's turn the power on. Let's see. Range thing right here. Boom. Right here. You guys see there is nothing there, so it's good. So that was the big element. So here, if I turn it, it's on. If I turn it here, it's on. Let's see, it's hitting. Yep, it's hitting. So put it off, and that's how you fix it. So for all of the parts, it's something that you guys see on your not here, right here on the bottom on the drawer. There will be a number right here, the sticker, when it shows your model number. So when you order the part, make sure that you guys order the proper part. So that's all how you fix it. So 90% of the times is your big burner, and you know the small burner, but it's a chance. I mean, if you get the big burner heating element, infinity switch is the name of this thing. So you're done, you're fine. Now, if this light doesn't turn on when you have your burner switch on, so that means that the light right here, the switch, is bad. So that will be this one here, this one right here. the one with the purple wires and the black wire is your that would be called, I guess, element on switch. All right, that's it for today. Thank you.